and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another healthy meal in 15 minutes. So I'm very excited about this because this is one of those dishes I make a lot. It is my dish to make whenever I'm short on time, but we need a healthy meal. So this is my go-to, and also everyone in the house loves it. So you can serve it with various things, but let's make a chickpea spinach yogurt curry. Absolutely delicious. Before that, don't forget to subscribe with the bell button, and yeah. So I am going to start with 2 onions, and I'm just going to roughly chop it up very quickly. Just a rough chop will be fine. Guys, nice hot pan. Just a couple of tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Don't forget, I'm cooking for 4. You can half the quantities and make it for 2 or double it. A teaspoon of cumin seeds. Make sure you let them sizzle. Now goes the onion. And now I'm going to just give it 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. In that time, I'm going to prep the other bits. This is the time I will tell you that I am only giving it 3 to 4 minutes on high heat because I'm just going to get start of getting a color. If I cook on low heat, and if you have time, you can cook this for good 6 to 8 minutes, but I'm trying to make this in 15, so I am going to rush this a little bit. But if you have time, like I said, you can cook this slower heat for longer. So making the most of the time while the onions are cooking, I'm going to chop up 2 garlic cloves and a little piece of ginger. If your garlic is quite small and tiny, then please do use more than just 2. So this has had 3-4 minutes. As you can see, it's beginning to get a bit of color because of high heat. I am going to add the ginger garlic. I'm going to go fetch the tin of tomatoes. There are some things that I always have in the cupboard in the kitchen, and one of the things is this tin of MUTTI polpa, which is finely chopped tomatoes, and you must have seen me use these in a lot of videos. Sorry, to reduce the heat. And yeah, this is going to go in after the ginger garlic. Now I'm going to fill this with half the tin will be water, and I'll add it to the pan. So I am going to continue to cook this on medium-high heat. If you have time, you could do this on lower heat, and I am just going to give it 7 to 8 minutes. Like I said earlier, that you must have noticed me using MUTTI tin tomatoes a lot in my videos, because once I have started using these, I can just not go back to the other chopped tomatoes. The flavor in this is actually better than the local tomatoes we get off season. They taste so good. You can really taste the difference in the dish as well. So yeah, something to have in the cupboard all the time. So while the tomatoes are cooking away nicely, I'm gonna make use of the time, and I have got here 200 grams of fresh spinach. As you must know that this is gonna look very much, but it'll all wilt down and look like nothing in 5 minutes. So just gonna chop it up. If you are using baby spinach leaves like me, you can just use them, add them whole, but I do prefer, because it does make a difference at the end, I do prefer chopping it up. Check on the tomatoes now. It's time to add the spices. So 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Now a good mix. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. Look. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to add all the spinach to this. Once again, a great way to measure is I've just got half a tin of water I'm adding to this. And this only needs a minute. I just want to get it wilted before I add anything else. Now I've just got some drained and rinsed 400 grams tin of chickpeas. And I am going to turn the heat off for a minute. Right, give it a mix, and now I have got 150 grams of yogurt. You could use natural, you could use Greek. I have got only Greek at the moment in my fridge. Any form of yogurt, homemade yogurt, anything will work. I have reduced the heat so that I can just mix this up. If your yogurt splits, is no big deal. I cook with yogurt all the time, and half the time it might split, half the time it doesn't, and tastes exactly the same. Right, once you've mixed it, stirred for a few seconds, then turn the heat back on low. You can't cook very high with the yogurt, so keep it low and give it last 5 minutes. I do like to cover it up again because it just kind of gets everything into the chickpeas and spinach. There it is, and I would recommend, actually that's a personal choice. If you want, you can finish this with a little bit of chili oil. Okay, so when it comes to serving this, the options, guys, seriously. You could serve it on its own, just eat it as a stew or a curry. You could serve it with a slice of sourdough, or you could serve it with piping hot chapati or rice, or some piping hot rice, pulao, whatever, absolutely anything. This is wholesome. It cannot get healthier than this because it's got everything. It's got the goodness of tomatoes, it's got the chickpeas protein, it's got spinach, it's got yogurt. So lovely. Right, only one thing left to do. Try it. It so happens that I've just made some piping hot chapatis. Yeah, these chapatis were perfect. I never have chapati or rice ready to show you guys, so I have to just say it. But I've literally just made chapatis. And if you haven't checked my chapati video on the channel yet, I have no idea where have you been. That chili oil hit was much needed. Oh, that is gorgeous. What's not to like? It's packed with flavor. Absolutely stunning. And whatever is left, keep it in the fridge, warm it up, take it for your lunch. This will last in the fridge 5-6 days. Reheat when you're going to eat it. Simple. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back for another new recipe very soon. Bye for now. So good, guys.